Have you ever wanted to travel somewhere but couldn't find anyone to go with you? Maybe your friends are too busy, or you're simply waiting for the perfect companion. Here's the truth: if you keep waiting, you might never go. Solo travel is the ultimate freedom, helping you build confidence and experience the world on your own terms. In this guide, we'll cover everything from choosing your destination to staying safe and saving money. Let's get started. Why travel solo? The biggest advantage is total freedom. You decide the schedule, the food, and the pace, no compromises. It pushes you outside your comfort zone, making you more independent. And surprisingly, you're rarely alone. Solo travelers often meet more people than those in groups. Choosing your destination. For your first trip, pick somewhere safe and tourist-friendly with reliable transport. Japan, Thailand, or Portugal are excellent choices. Ask yourself, can I get around easily? Can I communicate? Does it fit my budget? Planning and packing. Don't overplan. Book your core flights and accommodation, but leave room for spontaneity. When packing, remember, less is more. Stick to versatile clothing and essentials. If you're thinking just in case, you probably don't need it. Safety and money. Use common sense. Research local scams, share your itinerary with family, and trust your gut. For money, never rely on one card. Carry a backup, keep an emergency fund, and set a daily budget to avoid stress. Meeting people. Solo travel doesn't mean being lonely. Join walking tour, stay in social hostels, or take a local class. Most people you meet are also looking to connect. Solo travel isn't about being fearless. It's about taking the first step. The confidence comes because of the trip. So choose a destination and start your adventure. The world is waiting. Subscribe for more travel tips and safe travels.